welcome back to Luggage 10. My name is Pika and today I'm gonna tell 10 new English words along with sentences, synonyms and antonyms. These words are related to travel and transport. So let's get started. The first word is journey. Sentence: the journey from New York to Los Angeles takes about 5 hours by plane. Synonyms: trip, voyage. Antonyms: stay, arrival. The next word is destination. Sentence: Paris is a popular tourist destination. Synonyms: goal, target. Antonyms: origin, starting point. The next word is passenger. Sentence: all passengers must fasten their seatbelts during takeoff. Synonyms: traveler, rider. Antonyms: driver, pilot. The next word is depart. Sentence: the train will depart from platform 3 at noon. Synonyms: leave, exit. Antonyms: arrive, come. The next word is luggage. Sentence: please collect your luggage from the baggage claim area. Synonyms: baggage, bags. Antonyms: empty-handed, unencumbered. The next word is route. Sentence: we took a silent route through the mountains. Synonyms: path, course. Antonyms: deter, deviation. The next word is vehicle. Sentence: cars, buses and trucks are all types of vehicles. Synonyms: transport, automobile. Antonyms: predecessor, walker. The next word is commute. Sentence: I commute to work by subway every day. Synonyms: travel, journey. Antonyms: stay, remain. The next word is distance. Sentence: the distance between two cities is 200 kilometers. Synonyms: length, space. Antonyms: approximately, nearest. The next word is terminal. Sentence: a flight leaves from terminal 2. Synonyms: station, depot. Antonyms: midpoint, center. Thank you for learning. You have learned 10 powerful words today. Tip word of the day: journey. Your challenge: share your dream travel destination in the comment. Also try using these words in your daily conversation. That's the best way to remember them. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more daily English lessons. See you tomorrow with 10 more interesting words. Also make new sentences and share in the comment. Bye bye. See you tomorrow.